What are the filtration design benefits of the Swegon Gold RX ERV? Swegon's standard configuration includes a MERV-13 filter for optimizing indoor environmental quality. This MERV-13 bag filter provides maximum surface area while minimizing pressure drop. A standard 2-inch pre-filter rack is included for conditions requiring pre-filters in a temporary high-load condition. Examples of those conditions could be construction or remodeling, perhaps a fire smoke season where a carbon pre-filter is installed in the ERV. Transitional seasons, such as cottonwood seasons, could also be another reason to use a pre-filter. Swegon does not recommend a 2-inch pre-filter during regular operation due to the loading and high pressure drop causing extra energy usage. The Swegon ERV filter construction is very specific. Swegon filter racks are designed for mechanical sealing to properly prevent air and particulate from bypassing the filter media. The rack includes a mechanical lever to seal the filters and reduce leakage to a fractional percentage of the nominal flow rate. I have to mechanically disconnect this filter from the ERV in order to service it. Both the main filter and pre-filters come with pressure drop transducers. They are calibrated at startup, continually monitored, and calculate the adjustments made in order to maintain accurate airflow as the filter loads. This provides optimized building ventilation. The filter points include programmable set points, and they allow the operator to be notified via alarm by the DDC system or perhaps an email server. On behalf of MSI, NIA, and Swegon, thank you for watching our educational series on very high efficiency DOAS. Please reach out to your local MSI representative to learn more about our Swegon systems.